Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is my updated hair length video. So it has been a month. I have been using Curly Proverbs hair oil regularly for the past almost 3 years now. It's going to be 3 years in about 2-3 months time, so I haven't used it a long time, so I'm definitely an advocate for it. I love it and I haven't found anything better for my hair. If there is any other hair challenges you want me to do, please let me know in the comment section below. But before I measure my hair, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, and subscribe while you're there. If you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe. I make new videos every single Sunday. Okay, so we left off at my mum cutting my hair, and she cut 3.5 inches off, and it was needed for sure, but I was literally 1.5 inches off my goal length, which is 30 inches, and we cut it to 25 inches, which made me so sad. So let's get to measuring. Right, so let us measure with you guys in mind so you can see what's going on. Okay, you're saying 24 inches, right? It's definitely not shrunk. Right, okay, so we're 25. Let's see if we can get to. Saying it's still 25. Oh my god, don't tell me it's in a sleeping period, because I'll be so sad. 25 inches, right? Let's measure 2 more times. I'm getting just a little bit past 25, right? Okay, let's measure 1 more time, and that will be the verdict on the hair length. Okay, now it's saying 25.5, right? Let me give it 1 more measurement. Let's see. We can take our time, the last strand. 25.5, yeah. So it's grown 1/2 inch. That's what it's done. So it's definitely still growing. It's not having any resting period. Because like 2 months ago, I got like a boost of hair growth. I got 2.5 inches in 1 month. Like, could I ask for anything more? And then it got chopped off, which is sad, but I am liking the way it looks, so I'm happy about that. Let me show you from the back what it looks like. Yeah, so it's pretty long, pretty happy with it. So it's grown 1/2 inch. That's all I'm going to say in this video. My shampoo and conditioner, I've changed it, and it's to a castor oil one that's made by Superdrug, but it does have sulfates in, so I'm a bit worried about that, but I'm trialing it. It does feel slightly more dry than usual though, I must say that. So I think after this I'm not going to use it, and I'm going to leave it at that, and then go back to the Palmers, because I definitely don't want to use sulfates, but I thought the castor oil might help it grow a little bit more and just keep it extra conditioned. I'll leave the links of the hair oil and the ingredients and where to buy them from in the description box below, but also my shampoo and my hair care in the description box below, so please check it out. That's all this video is about. I want to keep it super sweet, because I always make these videos way longer than they should be. So yeah guys, if you have any suggestions on what you want me to do for my videos, because I am uploading every Sunday and I need ideas guys, so please leave them in the comment section below. And if there's anything you want me to try my hair before you guys try it, definitely leave it in the comment section below, and I will probably try it, because you know me, I like to trial it before you do and give you honest reviews. Okay, thanks for watching guys, bye.